Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Here's the mullein that we used yesterday. It laid outside all night and got rained on, so it's soaking wet. My table's soaking wet. My top board for fire rolling is soaking wet. We have already established that any coal extender makes a good filler for the fire roll, and I believe we could tear into the middle of this mullein, get that pith out, and go ahead and show it to you. Not going to be able to use this top board or the table. Let's go ahead, put it in some cotton, and get over here, and we'll do it vertically. No shortage of pith. All right, that pith is a lot chunkier than what I usually like. Anytime you put a filler in a fire roll, it needs to be as small as possible. So powderize whatever you put in a fire roll. It's not going to work with those big chunks. So here goes my second try. We got it that time. Good. Well, I just can't get it done vertically. So I have a dry top board and bottom board. I think it'll ignite this time. And I have dry top and bottom boards. Let's see what'll happen. Nope, it needs more. Under normal conditions, this would have taken just one try, you know, with dry pith and doing it on the table. But I had 2 vertical fails, 1 horizontal fail, and then this success right here. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.